Hello friends, welcome to MTC on TikTok and YouTube, MTC. Today we are going to study about the equation of a straight line. In the previous lesson we have been studying about midpoint of straight line. So today we are going to work with the equation of a straight line. I want to show you the equation of a straight line, how to work with the equation of a straight line when we have been given the points. Let's move to the lesson now. Friends, I'm here to make mathematics simple. Yes, I want to make this subject become easy for you so that when you catch it in exams, it becomes simple. Equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line. So now we are going to study equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line. First of all, equation of a straight line is equals. It's like this. Y equals to mx plus c. This is the equation of a straight line. First of all, m means gradient. C means y intercept. This is the x, y and x. Y is the vertical axis. X is the horizontal axis. So C means y-intercept. What's the meaning for y-intercept? Y-intercept means if you have the graph, for example, the line, a straight line is passing like this. So y-intercept is y-intercept. This is straight line. X-axis, this is y-axis. The equation is here, equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. This is the straight line. So here is y-intercept. Here is x-intercept. As simple as that. Let's move to the example. Equation of a straight line is equal to mx plus c. Example 1. Find equation of a line whose gradient is 3 and y-intercept is -2. And hence sketch a line. Find the equation. Our example is saying find the equation of a line whose gradient is 3 and y-intercept is -2, and hence sketch a line on a graph. So we come here, solution. Our equation of a straight line, we bring it here and we say y is equal to mx plus c. So we come here, m means gradient. C means y-intercept. If you come to the equation, is saying the equation of the line whose gradient is 3 and the y-intercept is -2. So the equation is here, y equals mx, y is equal to m. I said m means gradient, but the gradient is what? 3. Put here 3. X plus c. C means y-intercept. Y-intercept is -2. We come here and we finish. Y is equal to 3x minus 2, because this is negative. So we are going to sketch this one on the graph. So to sketch a line, we need to have 2 points. We need to have x and y. So we are going to put here our values of x and y, then we plot them on the graph. So for example here, if x is 0, if we put here 0, we're going to put 0 times 3, we get 0, minus 2, we get -2. Again, if x is 1, we put here 1 times 3, we get 3, minus 2, we get 1. Again, you can add if x is 2, but you can leave from there. So you're going to plot these points on our graph. We want to draw here a graph. X-axis, is y. Here 0, 1, -1, -2, -1. One, two, three. 1, 2. So x is 0, y is -2, which means it's here, the first number. Then x is 1, x is 1, y is 1. Then we put here. So we're going to make here a straight line. I don't have a ruler. Let me try. This is our straight line, but if you have a ruler, you have to use a ruler, and you put your ruler here to make it straight. So here, this is the points of sketch. This is the line y equals 3x minus 2. So you have to give this line. This is the equation. This line is the y equals 3x minus 2. So if this is the equation, you have been substituting these values. That's why I make this line from the equation. You have to put to show that this is the line y equals x minus 2. If you forget to put this one, it will give you a half. As simple as that. Let's move to the example 2. Example 2 is as a straight line with gradient 3 passes through the point A 3, -4. Find the equation of a line. So here we're going to look for the equation of a line. Here you have two methods. You can use this method of y equals mx plus c. Equation of a straight line. You can use this, or you can use equation of a straight line. You can use gradient equals y2 minus y1 out of x2 minus x1. This is the equation of all straight line using gradient. You can use this method, or you can use this method. So if you use this one, you can get the same answer like this person who will use this one. So we are going to use this one. Next lesson, I'm going to use this method. Here we come. So you're going to substitute here. You have gradient. Side m means gradient. Gradient is equals to 3. And you have the values here. So you're going to substitute here. The first one is x, the second one is y. So this is x1, this is y1. So you have here method. You can use this method, or you can use a method of gradient. Gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 out of x2 minus x1. Like that. This one, if you use this equation, you get the answer as the same as using this one. Here you have only one point. So you are going to look for another point for x2 and y2. So what you do, you have to let point let b equals x and y. So this point, let this point to be point of b. We have here a, here b. You can put here any points you want. So you come here, this, for example, this. Now here, this is x1, this is y1. This is x1, this is x2, this is y2. So you're going to substitute these values into this equation. So gradient we have gradient is equals to 3. So we come here, where m is, we put 3 equals to y2 equals y minus y1, which is negative 4, out of x2, which is x, minus x1, which is 3. Here you have gradient, so you're going to multiply. You can make here a fraction so that you can multiply very well. This one and this one. So what we're going to open a bracket by making it cross multiplication. We cross multiplication. This one is going to multiply up numerator, and 3 goes to multiply denominator here. So you come and we open the bracket. 1 times y, you get y, minus 1 times you get negative. Here remember, here negative and negative you get to make it 4, you get it plus. So 1 times 4 you get it plus 4 is equal to 3 times you get 3x minus here positive 9, you get it negative 9. This one is going to go this side. Y is equal to 3x minus, also this is a positive, it comes this side, it comes a negative, also minus 4. So minus and minus, you get y is equal to 3x minus 13. This is the equation of a straight line. This is our equation they asked. Because if when is a straight line with the gradient 3 passes through a point at this, find the equation of a line. This is the equation of a line. As simple as that. So if we use also this method, we can make this one. So let me show you in the next lesson. I want to show you also using this method to find this equation. Thank you for watching Sabla MTC. Keep watching, keep subscribing to our YouTube channel. As simple as that. See you. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel and TikTok. This is Sabla MTC. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to use method 2 using this equation of a straight line to get this answer. If you find this answer, you know that you're correct. This was method 1. So method 2, I think we are going to rub off this side because the answer is here. We're going to leave only this one. (3x minus 13). This is the equation we got in the first method. So the second method we are going to find also using this one. We're going to find using this equation. So you come here, gradient is equal to 3. Y is equal to mx plus c. So you come y is equal to negative 4. X is equal to 3 here. And gradient also. Remember, gradient is here is 3. So you come in our equation and substitute this equation. So you come to y, which is negative 4, is equal to m is gradient, which is 3, times x, which is x is 3 times 3 plus c. So you don't know, so you are looking for c. You first look for c. So you first look for c, then you get here negative 4 is equal to 3 times 3 get 9 plus c. If we make here, you're going to collect like terms together. You bring this 9 this side. You made c is equal to, if c comes this, it's going to be negative. Negative 4 minus 9 get c is equal to negative 13. So after getting c, you're going to put it and substitute in our equation. Our equation is y is equal to m, which is 3, and x plus c, which is negative 13. You call it, here you put minus 13. That's how we work this one. They say the gradient 3 passing through the point, this point. Find the equation of a line. This is the equation of a line using y equals mx plus c. As simple as that. So it's to you to choose which method to use. So thank you for watching Sabad MTC. Remember to follow us on TikTok, subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch video, like us. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Bye.